Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a really sharp looking 59 Corvette with air conditioning and power steering. Yes, that's right. Air and power steering was not originally offered on this car. This one's been retrofitted. Also has a new GM crate motor. This is a turnkey driver. Visit volocars.com and you can read all those specs on this car. You can get the price, see all the pictures, but not only this car, we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down. Let's go for a spin in this Vette Roadster. Yeah, the solid axle Vettes, as these are referred to, they're just classic. When you got the cove in the side, I have people call me and they don't even know what year the car is that they're looking for, but they tell me it's the one with the different color on the sides. It's a classic. This is a 59 Corvette. Underside of the car is exceptionally clean. The frame has zero rust. It's a smooth painted black frame. It's all solid all over. The front end's been gone through. It's got a real nice dual exhaust system. Has the T10 4-speed trans. The body and paint is beautiful. It's got a really glossy finish. It's exceptionally glossy. I don't know if it's got 20 layers of clear coat or what, but it's just really, really shiny. The metal flake is laid out nicely. I'm not saying that the paint job is perfect. If we look, we will find some imperfections. There's some little tiny dimples right here. A little dot right there from something. So if we look for them, there's a little something showing through from the fiberglass. If you look for stuff, you'll find it. If you just walk up to it right here, it's perfect. But it's not perfect if you look close. Anyway, the car's gorgeous. It has a silver with the black coves. The chrome up front here practically looks new. This is all gorgeous. This looks new. These look really nice. The stainless trim is nice and shiny, but there'll be a little dimple. There's a little dimple there. So they're not perfect, but they're really nice. The hubcaps, I'm sure, are reproduction because they're too nice to be original. The spinners have no pitting. The stainless is shiny. And it has reproduction Firestone whitewall tires. Got to have the white walls on an old classic Vette. All this trim is really nice. Looks like it's probably new. Door handle looks new. This trim's real nice. There's a screw here for some reason. I don't know why. They had a mirror there or something, but there is a screw. This is exceptionally good, but it's not new. Windshield's real nice and clear. Door jamb's real nice. The weather strip is new. It's soft. The sill plates are new. All this chrome, all of it, this all looks like it's new. Beautiful shape. Exhaust comes right through the back bumper. Got the antenna in the correct location. The interior, I was told, was an Al Knock interior. They're known for having the premium Corvette interior. It's all new door panels and the armrest, the knobs, all of that's beautiful. The seats have been rebuilt and reupholstered. Nice and springy, nice and firm. Carpet's all new. The dash pad is new. The dash pad's a little short where it meets the windshield right here. There's a little gap right there. The original gauges, I was told, were all rebuilt. They're all functioning as a tachometer that's still gear driven off the generator. The radio is actually, it's a Wonderbar radio, but it's actually got modern guts in it. It's an AM/FM stereo, and there are speakers in the kick panels. All the trim around the radio, the knobs, that's all real nice. The shifter plate on the floor looks new as the correct 4-speed shifter with the reverse lockout handle. This has electric power assist steering. And I'm looking everywhere in the engine compartment thinking the guy lied to me. There's nothing up there. It's up under the dash. It's part of the steering column. There's a little electric motor that assists with the steering. It has a polished wood spoke wheel, wood rim wheel with the 3 spokes. Convertible top. All this trim looks like it's new too. This is all beautiful. It's a black convertible top. The whole assembly is new. He ordered it from Coffman. It's a new frame, new rubber, new bolts, new hardware, a black convertible top. This is new. Inside this compartment is pristine. It looks brand new. The latches look new. Now let's get under the hood. It's a GM crate motor. If you want reliability, you just go right to GM and buy a crate motor. It comes with the oil already in it. So just a turnkey motor. You do pick what carburation you want on top. This does have an aluminum intake with a chrome-plated quick fuel dual feed carburetor, and it does have an HEI ignition system. Also has a modern air conditioning and heat system. They didn't have that back then, so it's rare to find one that's been retrofitted with that. And the car is kept cool with an aluminum radiator. It's got a shroud. It's got a new flex fan. The latches are all new in here too. They replaced all the latches on that lid, on the trunk, in the hood here. It's got a new battery. The hoses all look new. There is a battery disconnect switch. If you feel up behind the tire, there's a switch in the wheel well that kills the car. But very nice, clean motor compartment. The original pie pan air cleaner, the original type, it looks new. It has Chevrolet chrome valve covers. Open the trunk for you. It's real clean in here too. The trunk compartment is one of the cleanest I've seen in a long time. It's smooth and painted. It has a new cardboard. It has the new plywood tire cover. Yeah, it's all nice painted smooth fiberglass. New rubber mat, all painted under here. Here's the new latch I told you about, and new weather strip. The air conditioning controls are incorporated right into the original controls, so you don't have extra knobs or switches drilled into the dash. And the vents are neatly installed underneath. You're fired up. Even has that classic Corvette sound. So you got a gorgeous car here that you can actually turn key and get in and drive. Air conditioning, power steering, modern stereo. I was told it was body off the frame restored. Very tidy and clean throughout. I think it's one of the better ones I've seen in a long time. Beautiful to look at. The colors are different. Just a great 59 Corvette. If you visit volocars.com, there's plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask. They'll also help you with all the paperwork and financing and delivery. They'll help take care of all of that. So visit volocars.com to get in touch with the salesman. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.